Hello guys, so I can take this beautiful video of what I'm seeing right now, but nothing, the picture can't express what it feels like and what it is to see it. What does that mean? The picture is an expression of what I'm seeing right now. It's a recreation, it's like a conceptual version of it, but it's not what I'm actually seeing with the depth perception, the exact color profiles, the way that the light is shining, and even just the depiction of my own eyes and my own vision and my own eyesight. Something that's obvious, it seems like, something obvious to say, but we forget that we are all expressions. We are all symbols. The words that we use to describe our feelings, those are not our feelings, those are symbols. Those symbolize our feelings and put them in an abstract way that we can communicate to others. And I think it's just a beautiful thing to be aware of. And it makes experiencing things yourself all the more beautiful and all the more worth it, right? And it makes it more worth it when you do experience something yourself and you experience a connection with another person or an understanding. It just makes it all the more divine. That's my favorite view right there. If I was going to share anything with you today, it would be this exact view. Have a good day, everybody.